You guys can't tell, but the front bushings, I couldn't really get those lit. Oh god, oh dear. Alright, so I just want to toss this in before the whole video starts. So, just so no one freaks out, this video was recorded way before the wrap job kind of started. At least part of it was. Just finishing it up here today. So, if you see the whole car, it's still all red. It's not like I decided to take the wrap off. So, don't you worry. Still happening. Car's almost finished. Also, stickers. I got some stickers coming in the mail, guys. If you want one, here's a picture of them. They're pretty cool. Only 100 being made. They'll be here in a couple weeks. So, if you guys want to pre-order one, be a legend, you can go ahead and check out the link below. Thanks guys, enjoy the video. What's going on guys? Welcome back for another video here on the channel. Today, as you guys can see, we are yanking out the rear subframe in the 240. Got some help. Jordan from Wicked Street Media is here. Where is he? I can't tell if you can see him or not. He's somewhere. There he is, you can probably see him. We're gonna go ahead and yank out the subframe and get all the bushings out of there because wheel hop is real. We're gonna go ahead and get rid of that problem here today. Now there's a lot of stuff happening with the car right now. I don't know when this video is going up in relation to all the other stuff that's going on right now. I'm currently filming like 4 videos, probably more at the same time, so it's getting really tricky to kind of manage content. Alright, so the first step, literally the first step, we gotta go here, let me get this tripod out the way, is go ahead and jack up this beast. We got ourselves a bit of a flat already, which is not ideal. I really wanted to do a little garage burn ski, however now we ripped off our front brakes, so that's an issue. However, once we get the wheels and our new tires, technically new kind of finished wheels, and our new finished brakes on there, we'll go ahead and I'm gonna try and do like a 4th gear burnout in here. I think that'd be insane. It'd be possible, man. We got concrete floors. We toss a little bit of that little pimp juice down. So we got this thing jacked up sky high. Couple of jack stands holding us in. Now, if we, I'll see what we got going on under here. Oh boy. So, you can see we got a bolt right there. Same on the other side. A bolt up there. Same on the other side. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. I really think that's about it. There's 4 bolts holding the subframe in right now, which would make sense because there's four bolts holding the front subframe. And then obviously you gotta take your diff off there, or the drive shaft, and then the whole thing will come off. Take the coilovers off from the top and drop this whole assembly down. So hopefully this goes smoothly. All right, so we got the coils. Are we recording? Oh yeah, are we good? All right, so everything is pretty much disconnected. Drive shaft, coilovers, the 4 bolts that hold everything in. And I guess, I mean, hell, let's just try and lower something. Yeah, all right, it's happening. It's happening. But now I'm just kind of curious as to how it's gonna fall down. All right, so now I gotta figure out how we're gonna catch it. I got an idea. Just drop it. Actually, I should probably check, make sure everything's clear. Oh! Yeah, good thing I checked. Guess what I forgot?
What'd you do? Oh, brake lines.
Brake lines.
Ah.
Yep.
That would have been real bad.
That would have sucked. Ow!
Alright, Gucci.
Right. Okay. I have a feeling that's just gonna like drop. Yeah, this is where it gets sketchy. Where does it want to go? Oh, yeah. It is out! Dude, that was, oh, wait, there's still something connected. E-brake line. Come on there, champ. Where you at? All right, here, spin that side, spin that wheel so we... Pull out! Pull out! One more. Dude, that's pretty awesome, man. Woo. This is the rustiest part of my whole car. Literally the rustiest part. Like now, look at, dude, how crazy is that? Alright, I'm probably gonna lower it a little bit, just so it's not. Alright, now, we start disassembling. So off come all the arms, the diff is coming out, we have a new one, which if you if you want to show them, is hiding under there. That's a, I forgot exactly what kind it is, but it's a locking diff, and this one's kind of locking. I mean, I don't know, my finger doesn't make 400 horsepower. I mean, I don't know, it might. But if I can move that with my finger, that is where you get your wheel hop from, is all this plate. So we're gonna get rid of that, make it like brand new. So we got this whole turd in here today, getting a 12-inch lift. It's actually not getting a 12-inch lift, it's getting a
twin turbo setup.
Sure. Some Ricer mods, and he's actually the owner of that Grand Caravan back there. Did you get that off yet?
Popped right off.
It's taking him probably about an hour to get here. Well, coming back to where we're at, I don't know where we left off last night, but it's now the next day. I got the subframe out, obviously. Now it's time to disassemble it, should I say. Diff out, take all the suspension arms out, coilovers out, lower control arms, wheels, hubs, everything.
See if it just starts, honestly.
Well, I guess we'll see if this thing wants to start. The lights work. Fuel pump works. Always ruins it, man. She smells happy. So comfortable right now. Oh boy! Woo! I am sweating. There's the rear end of my car, there's the other half. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so the fun part now begins. We gotta burn out these bushings. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna take this, we're gonna take it outside into the 4-degree weather, get it set up on some jack stands or something. Essentially just light these things on fire. I'm not really sure how easy these things are gonna light up. Yeah, we got it, man. Oh, it's freezing though. Holy cow. So, we'll let this kind of do its thing, and when we get back, technically all these should be burnt out. I think I might have found the golden ticket here. You know, just in case if your fire ever seems like it's getting a little bit weak, or if it's 4 degrees outside, just come out here, and then you just kind of, whoa. Kind of touch them up a little bit. Well, we couldn't, well, I don't know, I probably just didn't have the right tools, and it's absolutely freezing outside, so it didn't really want to stay lit. But you guys can't tell, but the front bushings, I couldn't really get those lit. Oh god, oh dear. There's a lot of work to be done here. A lot of work to be done. Yep. Just a lot of work, man. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna continue working on getting all this crap out of here. We went from, well, I guess we went from looking like that, filled with rubber, so smooth it doesn't even want to focus on it. But what else is new with this camera, man? I gotta figure out a way to, I don't know, I might go back outside and try and light them back on fire. I don't really have like a saw that I can get inside there and chop out the actual metal sleeve, because once that's out, they burn a whole lot nicer. Hours later, and we're still here. I'm working on these rear two. The fronts came out semi-easy. These ones, however, oh man, and I'm like a little bit over this right now. I'm kind of ready for this just to be done and ready for paint, or just ready for it to be back in the car. There's a lot on the plate, but the current problem I'm now facing is, well, it's late. Obviously drove the Beam Supreme here. Now if we take a look outside here, is it still snowing? Yep, it's still snowing, and there's like 5 inches of snow on the road. Not too sure how I'm gonna get home. Wish me luck. We'll see. Alright, so this is multiple weeks since we've actually even started this. As you can see, a lot is different. The car is looking totally crazy, and in the beginning of this video, it wasn't even wrapped. Not even one panel was wrapped. So we're going back in time, but don't you worry, we kind of got a little busy, a little sidetracked. But we out here, finally, after hours, this front sleeve is out. As you can see, she went in there, and I did some carnage. So I basically just kind of, I crammed a flathead and just started hammering it down, and that kind of gave me that little dip right there. And then I kind of just basically started kind of peeling up around it, and then eventually I was able to just pop it out from the bottom. So that's awesome. Still have to do this side, so we're about halfway there. These ones are cleaned up, really looking good. You don't actually have to take the sleeves out of the rear bushing holders, and but you do on the front. So actually, speaking of the bushings, I don't even have those yet, so hopefully they should be here in the next few days. That we can kind of get everything back assembled and get my car back on the ground and actually make it a roller again. Woo, she looks good.
Does it connect to the wastegate?
Yeah, it splits between the wastegate and the turbo. It just like regulates.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Woo! That was like record timing right there. All right, so as you can see, we got ourselves a nice little wire wheel right there, and wired out the actual, I guess, what do you want to call them, the cartridges, the cases. So they're nice and smooth, good to go. Now we just have to kind of work on getting this whole finish cleaned up and prepped. So we'll go ahead and kind of wire wheel all the excess stuff off, and then I guess if we need to, we'll use some sandpaper, and then we'll kind of see as to what I'm feeling to kind of paint this thing up. Alright, got the thing all cleaned up, and as you can see, it's looking pretty good. A whole lot better than it did. I didn't get every single nook and cranny, because man, you could spend a lot of time doing this, and it's not really too necessary. You're not even going to see this. I got all the main areas, as you can see, obviously top and bottom. Next time we work with the subframe, guys, we'll get it painted, we'll put some new bushings in it, and get it back installed in the car, and get it back on the ground. So that's gonna be it for this one, guys. Make sure you tune in for the next one. Honestly, you guys will probably see some of the RB30 build. Things are happening. It's getting real in here. So super stoked for you guys to watch the build as it progresses. We're just about to get started. It's gonna be a crazy build, guys, so you do not want to miss it. As always, guys, you know the deal. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Turn those notifications on, and make sure you guys follow me on social media. Gives you guys a way better kind of a notification system as far as when stuff is coming out and when you guys should expect that stuff. So make sure you guys go check it out down below. Thank you to all my Patreons out there. If you guys want to join the VIP crew, also link below. And if you guys want to help support the channel with a sticker, please grab one. It's been a while since we've gotten some merch on the channel, so only 100. Appreciate it. All my silver member Patreons get a free sticker. So if you guys are a silver member Patreon, you got a sticker coming your way shortly. They'll be here soon, a few weeks. I'll have them out. Thanks, guys.